Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I want to show you how to sit on a meditation cushion. So, just to start right in, I'll start sitting this way. So first I'll show you the cushion that I'm using. This is the cushion from our Store Conscious Life shop. It is the brown and gray cushion. It has the handles for easy carrying. The Zafu is a crescent-shaped Zafu. So this allows for support of your back, but also support of your hips to open up. And so that way you will not have as much tightness in your hip flexors, and it reduces back pain as well. This is the Zabuton, which is full of cotton. So this one is full of buckwheat hulls to give you that support for your back and your hips. This one is full of cotton to support your knees and your legs. So I'll sit on it frontwards first. We'll get on it this way. You can sit on the cushion Indian style, so easy pose, or you can sit with one leg lifted, or you can sit with both. But you just want to, so now I'll turn to the side so you guys can see. Okay. You just want to make sure that your bum is a little bit, so I have a little bit of flesh here, but you want to make sure your sit bone is right on the back to give you that support. And you're going to lift and tuck your tailbone so that you have a straight spine going up, and you want to allow enough openness in your legs so that your hips can just fall down. You can place your hands on your knees and your palm here resting. You can even put a blanket over you here to create some grounding as well. So once you have your tailbone tucked, you want to start creating a line as if your body is connecting the ground and the heavens. So you're going to tuck your tailbone. You're going to make sure that you have a straight back. You're going to lift your shoulders, roll them back and down. So that helps open up the chest so you have the maximum breathing space. So rolling the shoulders up and back and down. You're going to want to tuck your chin to lock that bandha right there, which increases the energy flow. And you want to lift your crown of your head to the sky. Again, you're thinking about that connection of you being the connection between the ground and the sky. And so when you sit like this really helps with the alignment and the support of your back, especially if you do it sitting up against the back wall. And this is going to help you have a more comfortable seating position during meditation. And again, like I said, you can modify, you can lift one knee and release that way. This will also help you if this is a pose that you're going for, or it's a goal of yours to sit with your both of your feet up. This cushion is going to help your hips open up more because it has that crescent shape, especially for support of your hips, and it also allows your knees to your feet to come in here and rest in between the cushion and in this part here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. We designed it to make it not complicated. You just want to remember to have that good alignment, starting with your tailbone sitting straight up. I like to put my hands on my knees. I create a straight back, connecting me, rolling those shoulders up, back and down, locking the chin, lifting the crown to the sky. And that's how you sit on a meditation cushion. Thanks for watching. Namaste.